I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota probate attorney. We have many families in Minnesota today that have children from different relationships. Blended families are very common. Since there are so many families with step-parents and step-children, it's important to understand that estate planning and the probate process should be adapted to protect those blended families. Let me tell you about a Coon Rapids family. Tammy is a 50-year-old woman who married Brent after a divorce from her first husband. Tammy and Brent enjoyed a good marriage for 12 years until Brent passed away suddenly from a heart attack. While Tammy loved Brent, she did not get along with her stepson, Travis. Travis is a 35-year-old underachiever who consistently caused problems for the family during the marriage of Brent and Tammy. If Travis wasn't taking items from the house, he was drinking and sometimes doing drugs in the basement. He was the cause of many arguments between Tammy and Brent. With Brent's passing, Travis is now saying he should get all of Brent's property. In fact, Travis is already driving Brent's pickup and has started to sell Brent's tools on Craigslist. Now, Tammy is very hurt and confused by Travis's action. She was a dutiful wife who loved Brent very much, and now her share of the estate is threatened by Travis's misdeeds and greed. What can Tammy do? Well, the first thing Tammy needs to find out is if Brent has a will. If he does, she needs to see if the will is valid, and if so, how Brent wanted his estate to be distributed. An experienced probate attorney can help her with that. Now, if Brent was like many people, he may not have had written a will. This is sometimes called intestacy. In this case, Tammy may be entitled to the estate under Minnesota law. However, some unscrupulous people, such as Travis, may try to tell her otherwise. So it's a good idea for Tammy to consult with an experienced probate attorney to get the information for herself. If Tammy is determined to be a beneficiary, she may have to take legal action in probate court to recover the assets that Travis has already taken. Now, Travis may be in serious trouble if he does not work with Tammy to give back the items that he has taken and perhaps get them back from anybody that he may have sold them to. Every year in Minnesota, blended families must deal with the passing of a loved one. For the spouse of the deceased, it can be an especially stressful time, dealing with both the loss of a husband or wife and the sometimes greedy actions of the stepchildren. During this time, it's important that the spouse seeks good legal advice from an experienced probate attorney to avoid losing out on his or her fair share of the estate. I'm Bill Peterson, Minnesota probate attorney. If you've lost a spouse and your stepchildren are claiming the estate, well, I can help. Call me toll-free from anywhere in Minnesota or across the country at 1-888-910-5297 for a free, no-obligation consultation. Thank you, and have a great day.